Welcome to a charming apartment that perfectly blends comfort, style, and convenience. This beautifully designed one-bedroom, one-bathroom residence offers a spacious and efficient layout, creating an inviting atmosphere that instantly feels like home. The modern kitchen features stainless steel appliances, including a refrigerator, and has been thoughtfully designed for both functionality and elegance, ideal for everyday cooking or hosting guests. The bright and open living room provides plenty of space for relaxing or entertaining, with large windows that fill the space with natural light and offer serene neighborhood views. The bedroom is warm and comfortable, featuring beautiful wooden flooring that adds a touch of natural charm. Additional highlights include high ceilings, a peaceful and quiet neighborhood, and access to a large, beautifully maintained yard, perfect for enjoying the outdoors. This apartment offers a wonderful balance of privacy, space, and convenience in one of Manhattan's most desirable areas. Come discover how easily you can make your new home.